Are you tired of straining your eyes while browsing the web late at night? Ready to give your Google Chrome a sleek, stylish new look? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable dark mode on Google Chrome. So without wasting any time, let's go. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Once you are on the home page, hit that Customize Chrome button. Then click on dark mode from here and your Chrome will be in dark mode. There's another way to turn on dark mode in Chrome. For this next method, hit that three dot icons from the top right corner of the screen. Then click on settings from here, scroll down a little if you don't see it. Once you are in the settings, click on appearance from the left side menu. From here, click on the box next to mode and select dark, and Chrome will be set to dark mode. This method is for those who don't have the Customize Chrome button or have custom homepage set. So guys, that's how you enable dark mode on Chrome. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Want more Chrome related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel cause I've got tons more of them coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.